Hey guys, Market Performance Auto Center back with another install, this time on the N75 Motorsports test car. Today we're going to be installing the X-Force Catback exhaust system with the built-in electronic actuated Varix muffler. Let's take it in the shop and then we'll show you what it sounds like. Let's go.
What you're looking at here is the X-Force Catback system for the ELANTRA GT platform. This particular unit comes with a built-in electronic actuator in the muffler that has two positions, open and closed, for your particular driving style. Everything in this kit is included to make installation a breeze, so let's get right to it. First we'll get the car up on the hoist and we'll take a look at what's involved. First we're going to start by lubricating all the exhaust hangers, that way they come apart nice and easy. Then we'll move on to disassembling all of the retaining hardware that mounts the exhaust to the intermediate pipes and the muffler. With all the hardware removed, we can now easily remove the intermediate pipe. And once that's out of the way, we can move on to removing the muffler. Now that the factory exhaust system has been removed, we can move on to the reinstallation. We're going to start with some brand new gaskets, and then we'll test fit the pipes to make sure that there's no clearance issues and that everything fits well. Starting with the front pipe, we'll make our way back to the muffler. Once the exhaust system is hung by the hangers, we can move on to a mock-up and then a final tighten. Okay, so once the exhaust has been hung in the car and you're all mocked up and bolted together, we can move on to wiring up the electronically actuated valve. Now, typically in this situation, we would like to hook up to a 12-volt source, hardwired, but because of the convenience in this particular application and by customer request, we had hooked it up to the 12-volt supply, but we do recommend hooking it up hardwired to a 12-volt supply or to a battery. After the actuator has been wired up, we'll clean up the installation and move on to the exhaust tips. Where you decide to place the exhaust tips can really change the look of a car. In this case, we decided with a slight poke past the rear bumper. Once the exhaust tips have been fitted, adjusted, and tightened on, we'll do an overall inspection of the exhaust system, and we're ready to fire it up.
All right, that's it. The install's complete, and look at this gorgeous catback exhaust on this ELANTRA GT. Let's take a listen to how it sounds. I think you guys will like this on your car too. If you have any questions or comments about the kit you see here, give us a shout on Instagram and we'll hook you guys up. Till next time, I'm Mark from Performance Auto Center. We'll see you later.